If you love crispy lechon belly and Filipino comfort food, this place might be your next favorite spot. So today, we're checking out Lechoneria. Let's see if it's worth your next food trip. So please stay tuned.
By the way, do you love discovering amazing restaurants, top-rated hotels, and the best staycation? How about exciting travel adventures? Then you're in the right place. I'm Joey Alonso, and welcome to Journey with Joey, where I bring you honest reviews and hidden gems to help you find your next perfect experience. So hit that subscribe button and come with me to amazing places. Okay, now let's see their menu. So first they have appetizer. Then for sharing of lechon signatures. Aside from lechon, they have also sharing for mains. Soup, many varieties of vegetables, pancit or noodles and rice. They have also set meals which is composed of varieties of lechon, rice, side dish, vegetable and soup. Various snacks, and of course, drinks and dessert.
It's yung very tanglad set meal po. Then isang lumpia ko duo yung 6 pieces na for appetizer. Then for our dish, yung kalamansi dish po. Then kasi naman po isang lechon belly kare-kare set meal. Then for our dessert po is mountain milk something. May mga allergies po ba sa pagkain?
Ako wala.
Wala na.
Let's start with lechon belly tanglad set. This comes with crispy lechon belly seasoned with tanglad or lemongrass. It's served with rice, lechon sauce, achara, fish chips, pinakbet, and sinigang soup. It's a full meal that really gives you that Filipino lutong bahay feel.
We also tried lechon belly kare-kare set. The lechon is served with thick, creamy peanut sauce and bagoong. It comes with rice, sinigang soup, and a tasty side of eggplant with chopped onion, tomato, and more bagoong. If you like rich, savory dishes, this one's for you. For our sides, we got the lumpiang ubod duo. Soft, fresh rolls packed with crunchy veggies. We also ordered the mango salad. It's sweet, slightly sour, and matched with crunchy lettuce. A nice contrast to all the rich food. To drink, we had calamansi juice. Cool and citrusy, just what you need with a heavy meal. For dessert, we had the mango float sundae. Unfortunately, while I was busy filming other food, my wife almost finished the dessert. So this is how it looks now. Our total bill is 2,139.50. We had a great time at Lechoneria. The food was delicious, the servings were just right, and the staff made the experience even better. If you're in the mood for lechon with a twist, Lechoneria is worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our next food trip. Thanks for watching!